Alright, greetings, my dear friends, subscribers, and just viewers. Today I will help you to get the maximum bonus up to $500. First of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Second one, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. I will choose in one click. You can choose anything else what you like or in one click. And tap there in country. You need to choose your current country is United States and current valued US dollar, and select your bonus on sport or on casino. I will choose sport, but now I will choose casino, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS25. Next, confirm this, tap there. Alright, wherever, don't panic, it's normal. Today I will register my account later, and after loading we will see our login and password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. Guys, I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a GBZ bonus only once. Be careful and remember this. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, we will be glad to see your support for us. If we are helped you, write comments or gives likes for video, and if you have any questions, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.